How's it going, everyone? Farm Boy Spence here, and welcome back to On the Farm. I'm fueling up the service truck right now. We're gonna try to cut a little patch of wheat this evening over here close to our shop, just to see, because it rained a little bit last night, but depending on how this load tests, we're gonna get a small load, check into the scales, you know, print off a ticket for it, and depending on how that does, we might be full on cutting by tomorrow. So until then, I think Chad's gonna be out doing some more wide dropping, so be helping out with that. Got the service truck filled up. I'm not sure where Dad's going, but I gotta run around here and get 8 bags of boron for Chad's sprayer and set it on the back of this water trailer. I just got 8 bags today. One more. All right. 8 bags. I guess just back off where he had it. OSHA is terrified of me. Keep it slow. Do not knock me off here.
I'm gonna go do donuts.
Okay, you know, actually, that's not a bad idea. Shuffling around a bunch of stuff at the moment. Then we get to wash that tractor over there.
I go over there with the Jeep, so I gotta fill up.
He's doing that. I'm gonna come over here, and if Keyshawn's done servicing the grain cart, I'm probably gonna turn on the pressure washer and start hosing off the tractor. Gotta help Jackson load some seed real quick. All right, you good? It's slowly coming loose. Here we go. Seed treatment on these boxes causing it to clog a bit, so on this next one I'm gonna have to probably get up under and prod it a little bit. This going in the back one? Back hopper? Okay, yeah, just come around here then. All right, lower it down. A little more. Okay, why not? That's stuck in. There we go. Huh? All right. I had to get down in here because it was getting stuck. It was college. How was living with me for 9 months?
It was great. I'm glad to be
We
back
had
on the farm now.
we had quite a fun time. We'll be in an apartment this coming year. At least,
Yeah.
I guess at least for 3 years,
Yeah,
right?
we had a good time. freshman year done.
Mississippi State, 10, what am I doing? 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Very nice. Oh, yeah. All right, right there. Oh, wow, that's close. Again. Stuck again. If you can guess exactly to the number how many seeds are in here, I will, I'll send you a t-shirt or something. Hold on a second. Time to get this washed.
Splish splash, I was taking a bath. Long about a Saturday night. Yeah. Rubbed up, just relaxing in the tub, thinking everything was alright.
Got the bulk of it washed, and now I'm gonna get in here with a little tool and just clean out all the mud clods from all these hookups and linkages, because everything needs to be easily accessible. Just stuff like that and around there, just need to go ahead and get that cleaned off. Just need to find me an old screwdriver. Aha! There's a few in here. Ain't she pretty? Smokey. Hey, Smokey. You seen you forever. Jocko. Hello. Me and Keyshawn are gonna go over here about the fertilizer. We got 2 combine heads sitting out, and we're just gonna look over and make sure there's no broken teeth, nothing else needs replacing. So when the time comes to cut, you know, we'll ideally be ready. Like right here, compared to this tooth and this tooth, this one's sheared off bad. Got another one down there too. So we need 12 spare teeth, and then I'm also gonna get socket sets, some ratchets, and a couple wrenches. So get the covers off. Is there a way to manually move this, like if you pull hard enough?
Yeah, you talking about moving the blade?
Like, yeah, like just scoot it.
Yeah. You have to move it.
I'm gonna see if this bolt right here will even come loose first. There's probably a hammer in that bucket on the back there. Teeth that are broken are in some kind of tedious places, so at some point we're just gonna have to pull the whole row out and replace those teeth. And when we do that, we might just replace all of them, because every single one of them is rusted and a little corroded, so they need switching up at some point.
No, that's the black.
I may be able to get that wire for you. Am I good to go ahead and plug this up down here? Whew. We're about to take some stuff and get it set up. So I'm gonna go fill this tractor up with fuel because it's just a little over halfway, and I want it to be full before we take it out and park it. So I'm gonna go over to the tanks. I think she works. You're fine. You are fine. Hold it right there. Hold it right there. Hold it right there. Good Lord. Up a little bit. Work. Right now we're hauling 3 combines, 3 headers, and 1 grain cart. So I think either later this evening or tomorrow morning we're going to get the 2nd grain cart down there, and then we'll just have everything staged and ready to go, because Chad said tomorrow morning it's going to be throwing coals to the fire. So Chad and Jackson are going to cut out like an acre or so for us to park all the stuff in the field, and then that acre that we cut, we're going to take it back to the scales and test. I think I said this earlier, we're going to get it tested so we can check test weight, moisture, see if it's good to cut. Testing to see if it's crunchy enough. So I'm gonna go back to the shop and turn that music off. Don't want to get copyright strike. Going back to the shop, get an empty bucket. And that's what we're going to use to get a small sample out of the combine's grain tank, so we don't have to wait, you know, to dump in the truck and truck to come through. I can just get it right there. So that's what we're on our way to do. So I know what you're thinking. Wait a minute. What happened? It's getting dark outside. Well, my phone's been dead for the past 3 hours, but they've been cutting a good bit of wheat down the road. We only got 1 grain cart working right now, so I've been hauling trucks back and forth and helping out here at the scales, along with my new co-worker Jack. He's doing such a fantastic job. So have you ever driven a semi-truck?
No. Today's the day.
All right, what you're gonna want to do first, foot in the clutch. All right, push both of those brakes in to disengage them. All right, and shift it down in first gear, which is left and down. All right, now ease off the clutch. There you go. Fully off, you can give it a little gas. Decent on the pull off.
Only decent?
Yeah.
I still need some practice.
Now once your back tires hit the concrete, you can start your turn.
I still need some practice.
All right, this one's easier to switch gears. You're gonna wanna run it up to 1800 RPM, then pop it out and put it in second position, which is middle up. No, that's middle right, middle up. There you go. All right, you're in second gear. So this is a good spot to stop. Pop it out of gear. All right, now brake, all the way on the brake. Pull both your handles out. And before you let off the brake, just wiggle it. It's in
Good
neutral.
enough.
Let's see.
Let's see.
Let's see.
I think an A minus.
I'll give you 8 out of 10
Yeah.
on that one.
First time driving a trailer truck.
That was very solid. Congratulations.
Thank you.
The final truck of the evening, my friend. And if you've watched any of my past videos, you know what I'm about to do. I gotta go in here, get the container, and take a sample of wheat that's trickling out. Is it still like sticky up there?
I don't know, I can't tell. When it gets to the bottom, we'll be able to tell.
Okay. Last 2 loads tested 19% moisture, and the torque is 13, so obviously not great. Okay, this one's 17.7, so it's not as bad. Still high. See, this right here is what the higher moisture grain gets you. It's piled up here because the bottom layer is stuck to the inside of the truck. So it's very slowly trickling down, but it's 17 still wet. I had to get up in that front hopper and bang on it a bunch with a broom on the inside to push the stuff down. So this truck's probably gonna take twice as long as it should to unload. Especially on this back hopper, it's sticky. Like this is one of the pieces that came out. That's a rice cake. Look at all the wheat in there. And that was the last truck of the night. So Jack's getting it swept off right now, and then I'm gonna come behind it with the blower. Then we'll be good. And that'll be that for this evening. Oh yeah, nice and dark. All right, time to clock out.
Time to clock out.
We didn't work a whole lot today, did we?
Nah, only like 14 hours.
13:29, there we go. All right, everyone, I butchered that outro. I'm Farm Boy Spence, everyone. I'll see y'all tomorrow, and I'll see you tomorrow, Jeff.
Yup, see you tomorrow.
Good night, everybody.